So this is how you can hide someone from your Instagram story. So let's say you don't want a specific person in your Instagram story, but you don't want to use your close friend's story either. Well, this is the perfect guide for you. Go on ahead and open up Instagram and then tap on the bottom right, which is your profile. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right this time, and then you're going to want to look for hide story and live, which should be right here. So simply tap on it, and now you can tap on that to hide your story from certain people. You could just search for their name or look for them over here by simply tapping on them, and they will now be blocked from your story. It's that simple. If you want to unblock them, you can go on ahead and tap on them again to remove the check marks and to remove their block. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you tap on them, they won't be able to see the stories that you post, and if they have no check marks, they will be able to see the stories. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.